Got an '04 Toyota 4Runner. What I did, I ran the RCA jack, remote wire to the radio. The customer installed that radio. I didn't do all that. So right here where the power's at, you ran the power through right there to this booth right there. I can see that. And then you just take a flathead and pry this out right there, and then run it through. Coming over here, you got the RCA jack and the remote from the radio. You hook up the ground. I made a ground underneath right there. Nice. Took the 10mm right here out, and then I sanded really good. Put 2 screws in there, and then ran 2 speaker wire. I mean, but this one is 2 positive and 2 negative right here. It's kind of weird because they hooked it up themselves, and that's the 210s out back. And the RCA jack, I put an input of the amp. So, and that's how it looks. And we'll go out front. So walking out front right there, I took the 10mm right there and I crimp it really good, and then put it back, and then I use the wire loom, and then over here I ran the 80 amp fuse to it, and that's where the hole going through. And that is how you hook up this Toyota 4Runner. The best way to do is use a line out converter, where you can use a line out converter, tap it to the speaker out here right here, or to the back right here. I believe red is positive on this side, and then black is positive on that side. That side meaning the passenger rear.